In this video, I am going to share with you 10 productive things which you should do if you are feeling bored or if you have time. The inspiration for this video I have got from my daughter. My daughter keeps on saying, Papa, मैं bore हो गई. So क्या करें? Time is very important for all of us, for you and me. There is only 24 hours in a day. And the person who is successful is the person who uses these 24 hours extremely well. Many a times in our days, many a times in weeks, we get time, we feel free. And what we do, we start scrolling Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn and waste our time. After 2 hours of surfing, after 2 hours of swiping the reels, we realize that we have wasted 2 precious hours of our life. Don't do that. That's wastage of time. Do these 10 things which will not only increase your productivity but also connect with you with people who are going to help you. The number 1, take out your phone. Start messaging your relatives, start messaging your parents, start messaging your friends. They are in your phone book. You will realize that many people, many of your friends, relatives and distant relatives, college mates, college friends, you have not called them for a long time. So if you have time, utilize this time to send them messages. Better still if you can call them and speak to them. These are real stress buster, and it will also help you strengthen the bond with your friends, with your family. Pick up a new hobby. Most of us wanted to do something more. Some of you maybe wanted to sing, some of maybe you wanted to play certain instruments or do some painting, some drawing. This again, I am inspired by my daughter. She picks up a new thing. Sometimes as a parent we are worried, but she picks up some new thing. Drawing, now she have picked up to learn guitar. That's an extremely wonderful skill to have. The third thing which you can do when you have time is to learn a new skill. AI is there. If you want to study, if you want to learn certain new skills academically, there are many free platforms which are there. Udemy, there are many online portals which are there, which offers you a lot of new courses. Learn coding, web development, AI or any new skills which you want to learn, which you think that it will help you in your career journey. It will help you in the career goal which you have kept for yourself. Start learning a new skills that will add to your competency, that will add to your personality, and that will lead you to your career goal in a much faster way. The fourth thing which you can do is work on a side project. Let me give you my example. That point of time, it was COVID. I was in Delhi and my family was in Mumbai. So I had time in the morning, in the evening, and I always had a mind to write a book. And that 1.5 years which I was in Delhi, I started writing book and I completed the book which is Job Search Secrets. I could have wasted that time, and many times I do that also. But at that point of time, I worked in a project which helped me fulfill my desire of being an author. And now that book is a national best-selling, published in Hindi and English by Penguin Random House. So that's an achievement for me. It is an achievement which I always wanted to do. So if you have time, start working on a side project which you always wanted to do. The side project could be creating a website, writing a book, or anything which you have a desire, which you have a passion for. Start that side project if you have time and start completing it. If you love writing, then you can start writing a journal, start writing a blog. Blog is a good idea. I always wanted to do that, but somehow I don't know how to do it in a very nice manner. So blog is something, if you like writing, you can start writing a blog, and you will see over a period of time, it will become a good repository of knowledge. It will become a good repository of your memories. So writing a blog or writing a journal, writing a diary is a good habit which you can start if you have time. The next is exercise. Very unpopular advice, but health is something, or health is the only thing which will stay with you till your last breath, nobody else. So take care of your health, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever time you get, it is a good idea to do some exercise, some meditation, whichever form of exercise you like. If you want to go to gym, you can go there. Or if you have time for 10 minutes, you can do some freehand exercise at home. You can do some meditation for which you don't need time, you don't need big space. So exercising is a wonderful idea. If you have time, start at least 1 or 2, twice or thrice in a week. That is going to help you in every aspect of your life. And this is something which I strongly recommend, that not only in free time, you have to make out time to exercise, meditate, or any form of physical exercise which you should do for yourself. Learn a new language. Knowing language always helps. It has helped me. I'm currently in West Bengal. I can speak Bengali, I can speak Odia, I can speak Hindi, I can speak English. So, and I know many people who speak much more language than I can do. And speaking more language always helps, because you are able to connect with that particular person in a much more emotional way. Today is a time of online. So instead of wasting time on scrolling the reel and watching useless stuff on Facebook or other social media platform, start networking based on what your future career plans are, based on what your personal plans are. There are certain people who are what you want to become. So it is a good idea to network with people who can help you, who can give you certain insight, who can give you mentorship, who can provide you some support, some guidance in reaching your future milestone, in reaching your career milestones. So start networking with those kind of people. For example, if you want to learn about new technology, if you want to learn about artificial intelligence, or even if you want to learn about innovation, there are many people who are in that area on social media. You can start networking online with those people, and that's an extremely enriching experience which is going for you. And you would not only be utilizing your time, but you would also be adding to yourself, which is going to add into your proficiency, add into your skill, which is going to help you as an individual, as a professional also. And last, we all live for ourselves, but it is also important to think about others, think about the society, think about any cause which is close to your heart. If you want to help a kid, if you want to help elderly people, if you want to help environment, take out some time, start creating passion for some volunteering work, whatever interests you, whatever is closer to you. For example, if there is a small orphanage closer to you, you can get associated with them. I'm sure there would be many NGO around you for plantation, or for street dogs, or for animals, for elderly parents, whatever be the cause. Get associated with them, start giving. Trust me, once you start giving, you will feel that your life has a purpose and you will start enjoying yourself much more. Because building for yourself is important, but giving to others will give you a satisfaction which nothing else will give you. So these are things which you must do, which you should do in your free time, so that you are able to build onto your professional skills, build onto your personal skills. You are able to take care of yourself, you are able to strengthen relationship with your close friends and family, and also you are able to take care of others. So don't waste time watching reels, don't waste time on social media. Do these 10 things which is going to help you, which is going to boost your morale, which is going to give you something in life for which people will remember you for.